manhaka arpsantarik unai wing ka Reserve Bank of India RBI Shillong kaliyo ban Pynlong ya field level financial awareness event ka basisngi ya ketika program la Pynlong hadorbar hall jong ka Seijlieh nong stony haka bawa PD sangma ADC ka West Castle layo ban play haka jingdon lang ru general manager officer in charge ka RBI Shillong u Anurag Asthana ki officer jong ka RBI ki officer jong ki bank ki batray kam hapo ka district ki khot jong ka dorbar shnong bat ki nong shnong ka than u Anurag Asthana general manager officer in charge ka RBI Shillong habakran na kategi jingelang uloong baka kamram jong ka RBI kamde tang ban shna pisa ban penya ye ki pisa hendrai ban pej bhai ki bang baper bikin bod ki kendon balabu dak RBI hawa don ka jingsha khnyat ben bat ka jingsha sempalat ya kasut na ki nong simram susu la kuntui ki nong snong bakim dei ban teng ban boi ka pisa he ki bang ban om pedang ne ngek lumari ki tu ki bri ki bapan hi account number dak ba supun la ne SMS nomor baki dei tang ki riu syukur ban yo saitu ka pisa ban habadan kum kita ki de ban lek pensisha na bang ki wei ki nong kran hakate ki sngi ki kintop yu Abhishek Pandey assistant manager ka RBI u El Hang Monthan assistant manager ka RBI Shillong ba ti tunglut LDM nong stony ba SMLE KKSCO ba Arling do khot ka dorba shnong Seijlieh bat ki wei
the consequences of this particular function may not be directly noticed by many of us here, but it does affect the interest rate charged by the banks, and thus the interest you receive on your savings banks account and the interest you have to pay on your loans, that is EMI. Similarly, we regulate the banks and some of the non-banks, that is NBFCs, by prescribing policy, that is the general rules for their operation and their supervision, and to see that those rules are followed with the final objective to ensure that the depositors' money is safe and the country's economy is in a sound state. Our other major functions include keeping foreign exchange reserves, managing the funds of the Government of India and the state governments, regulation and supervision of the payment and settlement system in terms of the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007, etc.
This is a critical issue in our state of Meghalaya, particularly in rural areas. Sometimes, like the service like products, financial institutions, like bank, dangsa jingpynbna, kumbabitik, the bank branch, kalong scattered, unevenly distributed. Financial services, kalong concentrate, mainly concentrated only in cities. The reasons difficult geographical terrain, population, low population density, poor infrastructure, the network connectivity problem. Ya ka jeans factory lane kumno bapin pendon kam ya ka products per services by financial institutions lane ki bank